a collection of memory locations which can store the first point, set of memory location. Number 2, which can store the same data. Number 3, the data can be accessed. The data can be accessed according to the index value. Fourth point, index is starting from 0 and ending with n minus 1. Fifth point, length of the array. Length of the array will give the number of elements present in the array. Number of elements present in the array. That element may be integer, that element may be double, that element may be float, that element may be character, that element may be string. So that's why, so the length will give the number of elements present in your array. Okay, I repeat, array is a collection of memory locations. Number 2, so that array contains the same type of the data. Number 3, that can be each and every element should be accessed with the help of the index. Number 4, length. The length will give the number of elements present in your array. Index is always starts from 0, ending with n minus 1, where n is the length of the array. Okay, this is the first point. Next, second one is, there are two types of arrays are there. One-dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. One-dimensional stands for you can assign or you can access the value with respect to one variable. Suppose in the multi-dimensional, suppose let us take multi, more than one. Suppose I can access the two-dimensional, then how many variables are required? Two variables. That is the two indexes are required, I, j, or as wish, a, b, whatever it may be. Suppose three-dimensional, I require 3 parameters. So I, j, k. So this is called as a multi-dimensional. Okay, one-dimensional, you can access the data with the help of one variable. Two-dimensional, you can access the data with the help of the two variables. Three-dimensional, you can access the element with respect to 3 variables. This is called as a one-dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. Okay, next. So let us take, I want to go for the next slide. So that's I'm saying that here it is called as a memory location and it is called as a array. And suppose if you are giving the n element, so this is called as the index value. Index value always starts from 0, ending with n minus 1. Let us take what is the size of the array, size or length. Length is equal to 10. That means 10 memory locations. Length or 10 memory location. So 10 memory location stands for it can store 10 data types, 10 same data types. But the index is always starts from 0, ending with the n minus 1. So that's why 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. But total length is equal to 10. So this is the length and this is the index starts from 0, ending with the n minus 1. So this is the representation of the array. Okay. So this is each and every memory. Here you can store the data, the same data type, whether it is a integer, float, double, character, and string. So this is called as a one element. Suppose to access a particular element, we can, with the help of the index, we can access the particular value. We can access the particular index. Okay, by using the index, we can access a particular variable or particular element. I repeat, with the help of the index, we can access a particular element from the array. Okay, all right, next. How to declare? How to declare an array? Suppose this is called, you can clearly understand if there is only one square bracket, array can be represented with the help of the square bracket. Okay, I repeat, array can be represented with the help of the square bracket. So if it is a one-dimensional, one square bracket is there. So if it is a two-dimensional, it is a two brackets or two square brackets are represented. So n-dimensional, n brackets are used. So by observing that, you can clearly understand it is a one-dimensional array or n-dimensional array with the help of the syntax. So let us take here only one square bracket. So array can be represented in square bracket. So is a one square bracket that indicates it is a one-dimensional array. So how to declare, that is the syntax. So I already mentioned that array not only contain the, so array contains the same set of the data, but that data may be integer, float, double, boolean, character, or string. So that's why, so here I can mention what type of data is available you want to store in the memory. What type of data can be stored in the memory, whether it is an integer or, so according to your data storing, that you can mention before. So that's why I can say that data type. Whether it is an integer, then you can mention integer. Okay. Let us take, this is called as a square bracket, stands for, it's a array, and there is a name of the array, name of the, so a multiple data, I repeat, multi-data, not multiple, multi-data can be accessed with the help of the single variable. Single variable. Let us take, I want to store the integer values. Okay, so then what is the data type? Integer. Okay, then it is a one-dimensional, multi-dimensional, one-dimensional. Then I can use the single bracket, and this is called as a variable. So let us take, I want to say a. So integer, square bracket, a. This is called as a syntax. This is called as a syntax. Or you can represent any way. So let us take, this is called as a, there is a no gap between the data type here, but there is a gap here. Okay, and there is no gap here, but you can represent the square bracket at the end of the variable name, at the end of the variable name. What is the syntax of the array? Data type, square bracket, or, and the variable, the name of the array, the name of the array. Suppose if you are storing a collection of strings, then you can use, what is the data type? You can represent string. If you are representing the, if you want to store the double elements, then the data type is the double. So that's why according to your data is stored in the memory or array, corresponding data type should be mentioned here. So by observing this statement, I can understand that you are creating a same data type of the array with a variable name, with a single variable name. Okay, right. So this is called as a, right. So I want to show you that, let us take, so here it is a collection of strings. It is a collection of strings. Then what is the data type? String. So that's why I'm using the string. It is a one-dimensional array. So that's why one square bracket. And what is the name of the array? Cars. So the different cars can be assigned with the same variable name. That variable name is equal to cars. You can put any name, no problem. Okay. Next, suppose this is called as a data type. This is called as a data. What is the data type here? Integers. So that's why. What is the data type? Integer. What is this? Array. So square bracket. What is the name of this array? My number. My number. So that's why this is the examples of array. This is the examples of array. Suppose in the two-dimensional, you can represent, this is the one set of the data, and another, there is another set of the data could be present here. So next one. Array can be declared in the braces. Array can be declared in the braces. To represent the array, it is a square bracket. To access any element, we can use the square bracket. But to represent the array, we can assign the value with the help of the braces. Okay, all right. Okay. Suppose I want to show you one program. With the help of the program, you can understand. Today, I want to execute some programs out there. So is it clear, everybody? So what is the array? What is the, how to represent the array? How many types of arrays are there? Okay, let us take. So I want to stop the sharing. Share. Desktop. Okay. Right. This is the, I'm executing some programs with the help of the online compiler. Online compiler. Okay, online compiler. Just a minute, my system is very slow. Right. Okay, all of you please see this. Let us take, first I want to discuss about the initial step. Let us take public class hello world. So I want to change this name. Reload. Okay, but it will be, let us take, it is a, the class is the, I am giving one name that is called the hello world. Suppose for the clarity purpose, I can use any array. So this is the, I can use, okay, just a minute, it can reloading. Please wait for 1 minute, enough. So I am solving the problem by using the online compiler. Okay, I think in the next class, I want to explain how to write the programs and how to load the Java and how to execute the programs. Okay, there are two different methods are there by using the notepad, by using the Eclipse. Okay, all right. Yeah, so let us take, this is called as a public slash hello world. So this is the online edition. So he putting the name hello world. So that's why, what is the rule? According to the rule, you can store this file by using the hello world.java. So here there is no storing, it is just compile and give the running program. So these two are, so this is the class and you can give any name. You can give any name. So I can give one more example. So in this point of view, I want to print system.out println hello world. So just you can execute. So that we are getting the world. Okay, what I'm saying, suppose you are giving the class name, you can store this file with the help of the class name and you can execute with the help of the class name also. So I can show you, don't worry. So let us take, I want to change this value that is called, so our example is ARR. Just say that this is called as a ARR. ARR stands for array. Okay, all right. Suppose first I want to assign. All right. So here I can show you, I can explain one by one. Control C. So just remember that suppose I don't have any array. Let us assume that I don't have any array. So if I don't have any array, how to declare an array? How to declare an array? Let us take, I want to store the, okay, right, please remember, I want to store the integer data. I want to create an array with the help of integer data. So that's why this is the declaration of the empty array. Declaration of the empty array. How to declare the empty array? First one, what is the data type? I want to store the integer value. So then what is the array name? A. What is the square bracket indicates? One-dimensional array. So that's why I want to store, I want to create an integer data, array data, and with the name of the A in one-dimensional. So then you can clearly understand. A is a variable name and the square bracket is the array, and what is the data type I am storing? Integer. So now, are you creating the new? So that's why this is the new. So I am creating the new. Then what is the data? Again, you are giving the integer, and this is called as a length of the array. Length of the array. Suppose if this 5 is called as the length of the array. So suppose that means you are predefined that the length of the array. Predefine that the length of the array. So suppose you want to store the 5 elements. So length is equal to 5. Length is equal to 5. So index starts from 0 ending with 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 5. Okay. So how to store the value? So let us take, I am assigning the value. So in the 0 location, I want to store the 10. In the 1 location, I want to store the 20, 70, 40, 50. Okay. So you can assign the value to a particular location. That location can be specified by the index, value. So let us take this is I want to store this. Okay. So you are giving that you want to store, you are assigning. So that means value should be stored. But I want to observe whether the elements are exist or not. So that's why I can use the print. So let us take, I am using the for. So for integer, I is equal to 0 because index starts from 0. Okay, I less than or equal to a dot length. So here I am mentioned that a dot length. A is the array name. Length stands for number of elements in the array. So a dot length. Okay, I plus plus. So then what I'm saying, I want to print. So that's why system dot out dot print a of I. What? Array. What is the name? A. So a of I. So that's why the first one, I is equal to 0. It can print the A of 0. So can you please tell me what is the A of 0 value? 10. Okay. So this is the declaration. I want to execute this. So let us take A of 0 is equal to 10. A of 1 is equal to 20. Okay. Okay. This is the 10, 20, 70, 40, 50. Okay. So that means now you can understand the empty array should be created. Inside the empty array, you can assign the values by this way. You can assign the value by this way. Okay. Once you can assign, you want to show, you want to observe what are the elements exist in the array. Suppose let us take, I want to change. Suppose I want to change the 4th element. 4th element stands for what is the index value? Can anybody respond? Hello?
3, sir.
Yeah, 3. So that's why I want to change A of 3. Yeah. A of 3 is equal to, I want to change some value. So let us take 40. Already exist. So let us take suppose 90. So semicolon. So you cannot be realized whether it is storing or not. So that's why I want to use again the same one. I want to print. Okay. Yes. So can anybody say what is the new array? Can anybody say what is the new array? Hello? Can anybody say what is the new array? Please respond. Okay, I can ask one. 480. Mr. 480. Hello? 480. 480. Okay, 401. Lokesh.
Sir,
Okay, can you please tell me what is the output of this? Because I am changing the element, Then what is the array? Please tell me the my array, new array. What is the first value?
40, sir.
First value 40. My screen is sharing to you. It is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the A of 0?
10, sir.
Okay. Now can you please tell me what is my array? I am changing some elements. What is my new array? No. If you are responding, please. Otherwise, the time is wasting out. There are so much of the syllabus covered. Please reply fast.
Okay, sir.
Tell me that. If you're just sitting idle, then there is no use. You know, your valuable time, my valuable time, both are wasting. So please reply fast. I'm changing some element. So then what is my new array? Okay, Ajmal. Ajmal. 402. Hello? 402. Respond, please. Navina, 406. Navina. Hello?
Hello.
40. Navina, can you please tell me what is my new array? Navina.
Oh,
Navina, unmute. Tell me what is my new array? So I'm giving advice to you or warning to you that if you are not understanding basic concept, you never follow the OOPS concept. Never and never. This is my strong feeling that, and everything should be faced with problem. It's not regularly following. So you are not attending classes only for the attendance. It is not good. Please be respond. So if you are doing like that, then we are continuously staying in the first unit only. There are 5 units, 5 textbooks. Okay, right. Navina, please answer. What is my new array? If you not cooperate, then you will face the problem. You are losing the subject. Enough. Respond, please. Pratyusha.
yes, sir.
Pratyusha. Mama, can you please tell me what is the new array? I am changing some
10.
elements. Okay.
10, 20,
Very good.
70,
Very good.
90,
Very good.
50.
That's good. So, can I show? Yes. I want to execute this. So, please see this. 10, 20, 70, 90, 50. Okay. Suppose you can, some operation should be performed on the array, between the array elements. I can show you. So, let us take A of 4 is equal to, okay, A of 2. Let us take A of 2 is equal to A of 4 minus A of 3. Okay, right. Then I want to display again the same array. Control C and Control V. Right. Can anybody say what is my new array? A of 4 is equal to now, A of 4 is equal to 50 and A of 3 is equal to 90. So 50 minus 90.
40.
Okay.
Minus
50
40.
minus 90.
Minus 40.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Minus 40. So that means the array elements or changes according to some operation should be performed. This can be true for any data type. This can be true for any data type. Okay. All right. Now, okay, Nana, just a minute. All right. Suppose, right, I'm giving some task to you. I'm giving some task to you. Suppose, so this is the data type. This is the integer data type. This is the integer data type. So let us take this array can be declared in another way. So I want to show you this array can be declared another way. Suppose you're creating the array, then you are saying that new, because new array created. Suppose I want to directly load the data. So I can show you that. I can show you here. Yeah. Okay. Suppose I want to create integer d array is equal to braces. Okay. So let us take, I want to directly assigning. So 15, comma, 25, comma, 35, comma, 45, comma, 55. Yes. Okay. And this one. Clear? So in this point of view, this is already existed. So that means you are not saying that this is a new. So you can directly assign that value. So now I want to print this value. So let us take system dot control C, control V. Here instead of I want to assign J. So J less than, and this is the name is the B dot length. Okay, so first, before this, I want to display the system dot out, control C, system dot out, print B dot length. Because I'm not predefined, B dot length. So that means to find out the length of any array, you should just array name, I repeat, array name dot length will give the length of the array. Suppose let us take, I want to display, this is the B of I. So here I am showing how to declare the address in two different ways. Number one, directly assign the values to array. And number two, you can give the size, then you can enter. So this is another way. So just I want to display. Okay, some mistake is there. So what is that? So
Instead of I plus J plus.
I plus this sir.
yeah. You are right. Exactly right. That's you are following. Thank you. Okay, right. So again, there is a one B of I. So B of I, no, I'm not using B of I. I'm using the B of J. Okay, right. So then see this. What is the length of the array? This is called 5. So that's I'm saying that system.out.println b.length. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So why? Because if you don't know length of the array, then you should directly find out by using the array name dot length. Okay, so that's why I'm getting the 5 value and I'm getting the inside that value. Okay, so this is the way to represent, to assign the values to the array in a one-dimensional array. Right. Now my question is, so this is the, suppose I want to create one more array. So, but that array contains string. So I want to create a string array. Okay. So can anybody say, I can type that instruction, I can execute that instruction. Please say that how to create a string array. Suppose the string name is a names. Name. Can you please tell me how to create the array?
String space
That's very good. String, string. String, not strings. String. Space.
Yes.
Next one.
C of array.
Very good. No. I will give names. Okay, because you can clearly understand.
Okay, sir.
Names.
Variable.
Okay. Can I give the square box after string? Okay, I can check.
Yes,
So
sir.
first you can follow some traditional view. So that is equal to, then next one,
Curly braces.
curly bracket, braces. Please remember,
Names.
characters and strings can be placed in double quotation. I repeat, strings and character can be placed in double quotation. But the numbers, integer, the double, float, you are not representing in a quotation. So that's why this is a small idea. All right. So please say how many names I want to. Okay, I can say Jyoti. Okay, and each and every string should be separated with the comma. Okay, next one, Balaji. Okay, comma. Next one, Lokesh. Okay, comma, and Brahma Reddy. All right, Brahma Reddy. Comma. Can you please suggest any name? So nobody name. I want to print my name. Madhavrao. Okay. Right. So then close the braces. Right. Semicolon. Right. Can you please tell me now? I want to print my array. First, I want to find out the length of the array. What is the instruction?
System dot out dot
System capital. System dot out
out
dot
dot print ln
print ln. Next
names
names dot
variable. Index, sir.
sorry length.
Length.
Name dot length. Okay, sir.
Okay, right. So can I check? So okay, next thing, I want to display. I want to display for all the names in the array. So let us take. What can I do for integer is always index. Okay, index is always integer. Please be remembered. Index is always integer. 0 to n minus 1. So integer. So integer space. What is the variable I want to use? K semicolon. Okay, semicolon. Next. What I'm saying next one? K less than. What's the next one?
Sir, system లో S లేదు.
Amma?
System spelling mistakes.
System కదమ్మా సిస్టమ్స్ కాదుగా మనం వాడింది.
24th line లో
SYS.
system SYS, sir.
4th line లోనా?
24th line.
24.
System SYS.
You are right. Thank you. Okay, so names dot length. Okay, semicolon. Next one K plus plus. Okay, can I put the semicolon here at the end of the file?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That's good. So then I can write systems. Okay, system dot out dot print ln bracket. What I'm saying? K of sorry. Names of K. So can I put the semicolon here?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Yes or no? Right. Now I can check whether execute or not. One error is there. What is that?
A is not initiated.
No. Here I am writing the misspelling, length. Okay. Here this is called as a, so there is a print ln br5 and next one print ln. Okay, let us take, I want to display length. Integer k is equal to 0. Okay, now I can check. Yeah. So what is the length of that? What is the length of that? What is the length of the array?
5, sir.
5. So is it displaying here? Yeah, this is the 5 displaying. What is the first name? Names of 0, Jyoti. Names of 1, Balaji. Names of 2, Lokesh. Names of 3, Brahma Reddy. Names of 4, Madhav Rao. Okay, let us take, is it possible to add 2 different names? Is it possible to add 2 different names? String concatenation. Yes or no? Hello? Yes or no? String concatenation is possible between the array elements?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How? So let us take names of, suppose I want to change my name is equal to names of 1. Okay. Can I use the minus or plus?
Plus.
Concatenation. Concatenation, string concatenation.
Plus.
Minus or plus? Yeah, plus. Okay,
Plus,
that's
sir.
good. Okay, that's good. That's good. So only few people respond. Names of, okay, as wish. So this is called as a 2. Okay, right. This is another one. So next I want to display again slide. Control C. Control V. Yeah. Okay. Right. Can you guess what is the new array? What is the new array? Okay, I can call by number. Okay, number 95. Number 95. Hello. Okay, 91. Ramya. Ma Ramya. Ramya. Okay, Shivakumar. Shivakumar. Guru Babu. Guru Babu. Sindhu. Number 95, Sindhu. Hello, Sindhu. Again, you are doing the same wrong. My dear students, you are doing the same wrong. You are just bunking the class. This is not right way. Chandana. Chandana. Ankita. Kiran. Okay, if the people doing like that, I can stop the class. So please be listen. I can stop the class, or I can just inform to the principal. Why you are doing like that? Bhanu Prasad. Hello? Bhanu Prasad.
Sir.
Can you please tell me what is my new array? What is my new array? You are not following. Okay, why your parents paying the fees to you for the college? For this purpose? Is you are not having any responsibility? Why the people are doing like that? Srinath. Satish. Sainath. Mr. Satish Kumar. 486. Are you paying the fees for the only attendance? Why the people are doing that? Why the only the 2 and 3 people are responding? Are you enjoying? Gunashekar. Gunashekar. Sri Lekha. Sri Lekha. Shame. It's a very shame. Shame of you. Sandesh. Pavani. It is all recorded. Then if I submit it to the principal, then your class will be cancelled out. Pavani. Pranay. Sai Prasad. Nobody. Nobody. Really, I pity you. 459 Usha.
Sir,
Can you please respond? What is the answer?
Jyoti, Balaji, Lokesh, Brahmareddy, Jyoti Balaji.
No. Jyoti?
Balaji.
Jyoti Balaji, na?
Yes, sir. Third one Lokesh, fourth Brahmareddy, fifth Jyoti Balaji.
Okay. Balaji, Lokesh.
Yes,
That's
sir.
good. Congratulations. At least you are responding. Okay. Right. Next thing. Suppose I am already explaining in the previous class. That is, called as a in the loops. I'm explaining. For loop, there is one more thing. Just a minute. So initialization and the next one. Right. Switch statement. Yeah, this is called for each loop. For each loop. For each loop. Okay. So already mentioned at the time. For each loop, we can access the data by using the for each loop. Okay. So let us take what is the syntax of the for each loop. Nested loop for each loop. So let us take for type. What is the type I am using? String. What is the variable? Names dot array. So print. So let us take, I can use this value. Okay.
Screen condition.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. So, okay, is it clear? Okay, right. So let us take this is called as a for each loop. Suppose I want to display this value. So let us take this is called array, integer array 33, 345. Suppose by using the for, then what is the syntax? For, what is the data type? Integer. So I, okay, and this is the ARR. ARR is the name. Suppose can I apply same thing here? All right. All right. So what the syntax? Can you please tell me? For. So let us take this is called for. I can copy this here. Stop and share. So where is that? This is okay. Yeah. Actually, here what is the string type? This is called as a. What is the data type? This is called as a string. So then I can write string 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 I. Okay, I am using any variable a, no problem. ARR. So what is the ARR? So here that is the ARR is a variable name, but I want to use the names NAMES names. So then print A. So can I check? I want to print the same way. Instead of using this for integer k is equal to 0, instead of that I want to mention string is the data type and A is the variable name and names is a array name. Then I want to print system.out.println A. I can check the answer. One error is there. Okay. What is that? Names. Print the names. Okay. I want to show. Here, println. Okay, I can check the for loop. So this here println I. So println A. Just a minute.
Print I, sir.
No. So here I'm assigning the A value.
A is already used in the method, sir. Already defined.
Okay, I could use some another variable, some L. Okay, then L. Okay, is it clear? L. So then I can check. That's good. So here, see this. That one. Okay, this is the Balaji, Jyoti, Balaji, Lokesh, Brahmareddy, Balaji, Lokesh. Okay, so to print the array, I am using the two different methods. One is the for integer, this is the one method, and this is called for each loop. This is called as a for each loop. Okay, so right. So now you can understand how to create an empty array. That array contains the same data type. A particular element can be accessed with the help of the index. Second thing, you can change the particular element either by change the new one or either by applying the operators. Okay. By this way, you can print the that array value in two different ways. Either by using the for loop This is a simple loop, or either by using the for each loop. Either by using the for each loop. Okay. Right. So now I want to take the attendance. So please be respond again. Okay. Number 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3, 4. Number 4. Okay, you are saying the attendance for attendance, you are coming forward, but you are not come forward for the answering. Don't do like that. It is not a good way. 5, 6, 7.
Present, sir.
But why you are not giving attendance in the first attendance? Late entry.
I came 3 minutes late, sir.
Actually, I am taking the attendance after 10 minutes.
I came
Okay.
30 roll number వేస్తున్నప్పుడు వచ్చా సార్.
So don't repeat that. You should be attend by 9 o'clock. That's the starting of the time. That is your responsibility.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, student feel that teacher scolding to us. Who is he? If he is thinking like that, then your downtrend starts now. Student, teacher cannot, he can do everything for the benefit of the student. For the benefit of the student. Okay. So if you are attentive, then we can get more knowledge. So why necessary I can take again and again and again? Because some of the people can create a bad name for your section. Okay. So interested candidate, they're losing their interest. Okay. Right. So next, number 8. Okay. Number
Present, sir.
wait. Number 6, number 7 is present. Am I right? Number 7 is present. Number 7, Pranila. Okay, you are present. Number 6, absent. Okay. Number 8.
Present,
Please
sir.
respond. 9. 9.
Present, sir.
10. 10.
Present, sir.
11.
Present, sir.
12. Okay. So actually, okay, some of the people are leaving. This is not right way. Because no class now. Okay, 14. 15. 15. 15 left. Okay. 17. 18.
Present, sir.
19.
Present, sir.
20.
Present, sir.
21.
yes, sir.
21 present, sir.
22.
Present,
Number
sir.
19. Okay. Number 19 వచ్చాడా? Number 19. Okay. So don't come to class in late manner. Okay. 26. 26. 27.
Present, sir.
28. 28. 29. Okay, 30. 30.
Sir.
31.
Present, sir.
32.
Yes, sir. Sir. Sir.
Why you are not come to the class early? Huh?
32 absent, sir. 31, sir, he is.
32.
Absent, sir.
రోల్ నెంబర్ 24 పిలవలేదు సార్. సార్ రోల్ నెంబర్ 24 పిలవలేదు సార్.
Roll number 24. Okay,
yes, sir.
attendance కొడితే ముందుకు వచ్చేస్తున్నారు. క్లాస్ కు మాత్రం ముందుకు రావట్లా, ఆన్సర్ కు మాత్రం ముందుకు రావట్లేదు. ఏ వద్దా? చదువుతా మనకి? దీనికోసమైనా మీకు మొబైల్స్ ఇచ్చింది మీ అమ్మ నాన్నలు? ఆడుకోమన్నా, ఎంజాయ్ చేయమన్నా? నెక్స్ట్ 34.
Sir, 33 present, sir.
34, 34, 35,
Yes, sir.
36,
Yes, sir.
37,
Present, sir.
38, 38, 38, 39,
Present, sir.
40,
40
40,
present, sir.
41, 41, 42, 43, 42 వచ్చాడా?
Yes, sir.
లేట్ గా వచ్చావు, ఇందాక ఇవాళ అటెండెన్స్.
Yes, sir. Later in the hanging.
43,
Present, sir.
44. Make it fast, Nana. Don't waste. You are very hungry. So that you want to have the breakfast. 45, 46,
Present, sir.
47,
Present, sir.
48,
Present, sir.
49,
49 present, sir.
50, 50, 51, 51,
Present, sir.
52,
Present, sir.
53,
Present, sir.
54, 54, 55,
Sir.
56, 57,
57 train, sir. Train, sir.
57.
Train, sir.
You are coming late.
Yes, sir. Network problem.
58, 58. Don't say network problem.
Present, sir.
You are a problem. 58,
Present, sir.
59. You are also coming late. 58, 59,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
60, 60. You are also late. ఒకరి చేతి అనిపించుకోకూడదు. 61, 62,
Yes, sir.
63,
Yes, sir.
63, 63,
Yes. Yes, sir.
64, 64, 64, absent, 65, 66,
Present, sir.
67,
Present, sir.
you are late, 68, 68, absent, 69,
Present, sir.
70, 71,
Present, sir.
72,
Present, sir.
73, 73, absent, 74, 75,
Present, sir.
76,
Present, sir.
77,
Present, sir.
78,
Present, sir.
79,
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
80, 81,
80 present, sir.
81 coming late, 82,
Yes, sir.
83, make it fast, Nana. 83, 84, 85,
Present, sir.
86,
Present, sir.
87,
Present, sir.
88, 88, 89,
Sir.
90,
Present, sir.
91, 92,
Present, sir.
93,
Present, sir.
93, 94,
Pre-
95, 96. Okay, so I
Sir.
request all
33
Chapman.
పిల్లలు, sir. 33 present, sir. పిల్లలు, sir.
నువ్వు ఎక్కడున్నావు
పిల్లలు,
Okay,
sir.
right. So I request all the students that please be in time and be respond and give the answer. Okay, asked by the teacher. Okay, please be respond. So if you are responding, then you are getting the knowledge. Otherwise, your downturn starts. Okay. So please be concentrate in my subject. Okay, this will help you for getting the job in the final year. Chepnana.
Sir, 23 పిలవలేదు సార్.
మరి ఇందా క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినప్పుడు రాలేదే ఏంటి క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినప్పుడు రాడు. So all the students please respond and give the sufficient answer when a teacher asking the question. Okay, thank you. Leave the meeting.
చాక్ పీస్ అదే చితకొట్టి చేశాను.
క్లాస్ ఏంటి క్లాస్ లేదే
మరి ఐప్యాడ్ లేదు.
ఐప్యాడ్ ఇక్కడ చేసి రావచ్చుగా.
ఇట్లా
ఎలా
ఇట్లా చదువుతాడుగా ఇయర్బడ్
ఇది ఆల్రెడీ లింక్ లో ఉంది.
అది నానా చాక్ పీస్ ఏమవుతుంది నానా